Senator Christopher Murphy from Connecticut issued a grave warning on Monday regarding the direction of the United States. He expressed concerns as former President Donald Trump and his allies have suggested that the courts lack the authority to block the president's policies, indicating they might consider defying court rulings they find unfavorable. In an interview with CNN's The Source, Senator Murphy echoed the worries of legal scholars, hinting at a potential constitutional crisis. He stated, "This isn't an exaggeration to say that we are staring the death of democracy in the eyes right now. The foundation of our democracy is that we adhere to court rulings. No one is above the law, and whether we like it or not, the courts interpret the law." Murphy suggested that if Trump and his allies were to defy the courts when their decisions do not align with the administration's goals, it would lead to chaos. He questioned, "If the president isn't bound by our laws and the Constitution, then why would anybody else be bound by our laws and the Constitution? This is a really critical moment." Several of Trump's extreme plans have already encountered setbacks in the courts. Over the weekend, a judge temporarily blocked the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, led by billionaire Elon Musk, from accessing data from the Treasury Department. Following this, Vice President James David Vance shared a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, stating that judges aren't allowed to control the executive's legitimate power, which drew sharp criticism. Additionally, on Monday, another judge declared that the Trump administration is violating a court order, prohibiting it from freezing federal funds according to a memo from the Office of Management and Budget authorizing a broad freeze last month. The judge called on the president's team to immediately comply with his original order. Meanwhile, Trump projects himself as unstoppable, vowing to continue his aggressive push to reshape the federal government despite opposition. He claims his team has identified billions of dollars of fraud, waste, and abuse. On his Truth Social platform, he wrote, "Certain activists and highly political judges want us to slow down or stop. Losing this momentum will be very detrimental to finding the truth, which is turning out to be a disaster for those involved in running our government. Much left to find. No excuses."